Okay, so today we got ourselves a project. Well, sorta. Yeah. So today we got ourselves a riding lawnmower, which has been running in probably about a week, I'd say. Don't ask why we got one, but it's pretty neat and I love it. The last time I ran this, the battery was sort of dead. The battery, I don't know, I guess it's getting old. So we're gonna see if we can turn it over. Which I have my booster cables and fuel and well, see if this will covering the camera there. See if it has some power. And it's a bit chilly this morning, so this will be kind of a cold start. It does smoke a little bit, but if I add oil to it, it'd be fine. Okay. So it's showing a little bit of sign of life. Alrighty. Sometimes you gotta play with the throttle for it to go. It's got lots of power. I'm surprised that it hasn't, battery's not dead. It's going to be if I don't get this started. Okay. Twin cam. That's interesting. I never knew that. Twin cam 535 cc. That's interesting. I never knew that. Huh. Okay, so we're gonna check the oil here. Still got quite a bit of fuel. I'm surprised. It's got some. I'm gonna have to get a cloth and give that a little bit of a wipe, and I'll see for myself without the camera to see how much is actually in there. Okay, so she's a tad bit low in oil. This is the stuff we have been putting into her, 10W30. So I'm gonna go ahead and give her a little bit of a drink of that. And I need a funnel, and I believe that's the funnel we used before. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab that. And we're gonna throw some oil into her. Looks pretty good. I should have took a clip of me turning on the mower deck, but hey, you know what? Oh well. I'll do it after. But it works pretty good. Paid $300 for it. Not bad. Not bad. It does need a little bit of work, but it still works really good. It does its job, that's for sure. It does smoke a little bit here and there, but nothing major.